Keeping your toilet running well is important and easier than you think. Knowing what is going on inside the tank can help you diagnose a problem. When you push the handle, the flapper is lifted and water from the tank flows through the valve into the bowl. When the bowl is empty, the valve closes and water flows in through the fill valve to refill the tank. A float mechanism stops the water flow when the tank is full. Before you do any repairs, turn off the water supply valve on the wall behind the toilet. If the toilet won't flush, start by checking the flush handle assembly. Often, the nut inside the tank will be loose and can be easily tightened. If the chain has come off, you can repair or replace it. If it doesn't flush completely, make sure the chain is not too slack and adjust as needed. In most toilets, you can adjust the float to get more water in the tank, so make sure your water level is about a ½ inch below the overflow pipe. Adjusting components may not be the same for different toilet models, so check your manufacturer's instructions before you begin. If your toilet won't stop running, start by replacing the flapper. If the flapper is loose or damaged, water will keep running out of the tank and need to be replaced. If replacing the flapper doesn't help, you may need to replace the fill valve instead. If the toilet is leaking at the supply valve, try tightening the valve carefully by 1/8 turn. If it is rusty or damaged, you may need to replace the line between the valve and the toilet. If you have leaks around the base, you may need to replace the wax seal that sits between the toilet and the floor. If there are leaks around the side of the tank, you may have a cracked tank and need to replace the tank or the entire toilet. With this basic knowledge, you can handle most problems yourself and get everything working great again in no time.